Now that we're assembled here in these beautiful spaces, I'd like you to take a moment just to take it in, just look around. Just wondering how it feels just to be in this space at the moment. I hope that our students feel proud and inspired when they walk into these spaces at North and CTE.
Well, the first thing that I thought when I walked through those doors is this does not look like a high school. It looks like a museum or a fancy corporate headquarters or an exquisite university. And of course, this is awesome for our Minneapolis public school students. I'm sure Principal Friesleven would attest that this does amazing things here for North High. And this does extraordinary things for our city as well. You know, what I'm thinking ahead for is our economy. And the incredible talent that we have right here at North High is not just going to get a job, is not just going to get a career, but we're talking about exceptional professionals that will be leading the way in our city.
We are on a journey to make sure each and every Minneapolis public school student that take advantage of attending or enrolling in a course within the CTE program are able to navigate their futures in different ways.
Not only do we have this beautiful space, but we have more students here that North has seen since 2007-2008 school year. This has not been a rip roaring good time, okay? 0 stars, do not recommend going to school during a major renovation. And the parents especially have been so patient, the kids have been patient, and all of this has happened while we've had the highest student and the highest staff retention that North has had in years. And so just think about the commitment.
North High and I have both changed a lot. But one thing that hasn't changed is the community pride that's alive and well on the North Side. And that's why we're excited to be here celebrating the new Career and Technical Education Center, which represents a powerful commitment not only to the school, the students and community, but also the workforce of tomorrow.
Hello, my name is Sarah Phillips and I'm a project designer at LSE Architects and a North High class alum, class of 2001. It is with enormous amount of pride and excitement that I'm here today to talk about the new North High CTE Center and what we at LSE Architects were able to do to help bring this to a reality. You see, for me and for LSE Architects, this is personal. I got to help redesign a place that helped to design me, and the students at North High will learn and succeed in the next decades to come. For the current and future students at North High School, including my own when they're older, I encourage you to explore every inch of this new CTE Center. Go Colors.
3, 2, 1.